How do you escape price increase? I mean, if I can buy for less, why should I buy for more? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we would be discussing a very important topic that affects each and every one of us: price increase in real estate. Now, whether you are a seasoned real estate investor or just somebody who is curious about the real estate market, I hope you find this video very informative and thought-provoking. Without further ado, let's get started. What is price increase in real estate? Now, price increase is when the price of a particular property goes up. Now, what are the various reasons why price increases in the real estate market? Number one is high demand. When the demand of a particular property is very high, when the volume of clients who are seeking out that property is very high, that means competition, and the developers have no choice than to increase the price of that property. Number two is low supply. Now, when a particular property is just few, the amount is limited, this leads to price increase in the market. Because the property is not so much in the market, investors have no choice than to pay more for that particular property, so the investor will increase the price. Number three is the economic factors. Now, economic factors like inflation, the interest rate, or the state of the economy can influence real estate prices. For example, if inflation is high in an economy, the prices of building materials goes up. Now, at this rate, the developers will increase the price of a particular property. Number four is construction or development in a particular property. Now, if a property just comes into the market, or when a developer just launch a property, the property is usually sold at a low price. But the moment when there is some sort of development on that property, the developer sells for more. Now, these are the reasons or why a developer will increase the price of his property. How do you escape price increase? I mean, if I can buy for less, why should I buy for more? Number one is to buy early. The perfect time to buy a particular property is when it is selling for the pre-launch price. When the price just hits the market, that is the perfect time to buy a property, because that property you buy will be selling below market value. Now, how can you escape price increase? I mean, if I can buy for less, why should I buy for more? Number one is to buy early. When a property just hits the market, or when a developer is selling a particular property at the pre-launch price, that is the perfect time to buy that property, because at that moment that property is cost effective and selling below market value. Number two is to consider buying off-plan projects or off-plan properties. Now, this can simply apply to houses. When houses just hit the market, believe me when I say it is like below market value, the developers sell it for at a very cheap rate, so you should consider buying off-plan properties. Number last is to make your initial deposit. If you're interested in buying a particular property, look at your budget, consider it, and check if you can make the initial deposit and also spread your balance for up to 3 months, 6 months, or 18 months. That is how you can prevent yourself for buying from more. I hope you have found this video very informative. If yes, please like this video. Now, if you are seeing my face for the first time, you are most welcome to my channel. My name is Mercy, a real estate consultant in Lagos State, Nigeria, bringing you affordable and verified real estate and land and housing here in Lagos, so that whenever you are making your real estate decision, you will be making an informed one. If you are not yet part of this family, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any educative content like this one. Until I come your way next time, please stay tuned to my channel.